Once you have a taste of being an entrepreneur, you'll always be an entrepreneur in some way. You'll always be resourceful. I'm Rebecca Warrington. I'm a psychotherapist, and that's my profession. And I decided 15 years ago to add yoga and mindfulness to my work. When I moved to the UK, I found it really difficult to find work. And I have all these qualifications. So what I did was I had to survive, so I started a business. The thing that I could do was teach yoga. So it started off as just a way to kind of survive, and I grew from there. I teach a mixture of so many things, and I also like to bring in the whole mindfulness approach into my yoga, also a little bit of my psychology. We were really struggling, spent hours creating the classes for the following week, and then we chose to join Omnify. Since last March until now, I've taught 1,500 yoga classes, 104 hours preparation, 175 hours teaching, 250 students involved, 250 classes completed by many students. I'm teaching people how to cope with the stress in their lives, how to deal with their negative thoughts through the yoga practice, but also giving them some tools. Omnify was our lifesaver. With time and with trust, I felt secure. So of course I felt that I could sell it to my students as well. I think the ease of it, the fact that I feel like in a way it's not much I need to do other than just press that button. It's simple. If there's a problem, I'm not alone. I could contact the Omnify team, and they're always there to help out. Omnify really helped me keep track of my students and also the revenue I was making, and also to help me grow my business throughout this past year. Technology is the way to go for any business. We're a global community, and everything is being done online. As much as you want to resist, you can't get away from it.